Hi team, welcome to BotPenguin. Today we'll learn how we can downgrade the customer accounts as a partner. So there are a few ways by which we can use to upgrade or downgrade our customers, and I'll be showing you all those ways today. So for example, we'll select a customer here that we want to downgrade the plan. So we can do the first step from the partner panel. We just need to go to the customer section. Once we are here, choose the customer, click on the three dots, and we'll see three options here. Now if we want to just change the plan or downgrade to a lower plan, we need to click on change plan. We'll have the current plan and we can choose the plan which we want to change. Another option that we have as a partner is a rollback plan functionality. So in case you have by mistake assigned a plan to a customer and your limits have been detected from a partner panel and you want them back, you can click on the rollback plan, choose your free plan or the lower plan and click on rollback. This will ensure that all the limits that had been assigned by mistake to the customer account will be rolled back to your partner panel. Another way of upgrading or downgrading your customer account is by clicking on the name here, impersonating as the customer, going to the subscription section, choosing the plan which you want, either monthly or yearly. Click on change plan. This pop-up will appear only for you as a partner. Your customers won't see this. You can click on upgrade without payment. Choose any of these two options if you want to enable no cost auto renewal or generate invoice for subscription upgrade without payment. Then you need to enter the password of your partner panel and click on yes upgrade. And your customer account will be either upgraded or downgraded as per your requirement. So that's it. That's how simple it is to upgrade or downgrade your customers as a partner. Thank you for choosing BotPenguin, and I'll see you again.